Cause when you see light, I tend to fade with city lights in your space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself. Cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself. I'm drowning underwater. Need to let you go to find myself. Cause I keep on falling.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another synthetic wig review. I'm going to be reviewing this wig by OUTRE, and I want to say a huge shout out to them for sending me this unit to review for you guys. This unit that I have on is Miss Nikita, and I have it in the color S1B/30. I really wanted to try another curly unit. Y'all know that my all-time favorite lately has been Janet Collection's D, but that doesn't mean that there aren't other curly wigs out there. So when I saw this wig, I definitely wanted to try it out and give you guys an honest review on this unit in case you wanted to purchase it for yourself. But before we go ahead and get into my final thoughts and opinions, let's go ahead and talk about these specs about this unit. This wig comes with a 5-inch middle part. It is a straight back part, as you guys can see. It also comes with natural baby hairs. I'm gonna say it comes with baby hairs. If they're natural or not, that's up to you. To me, It says that it also has a pre-plucked lace part, and I can slightly agree with that. It is not super thin. I did have to go in and tweeze just a little bit right here in front, right where the parting space starts, so that I could blend it into my skin. But I did like the parting space. I didn't have to tweeze anymore, and it does look, you know, pretty good. It's not too bad. It also claims to have HD transparent lace. Here is what the lace looks like after I cut it off, and if I put it up against my skin tone, hello, let's go. Here's what it looks like up against my skin tone. That's on my hand though. On my head, transparent, I don't know. I would really just love for companies to stop saying HD lace. If you ain't gonna come with it, don't claim it. You know what I'm saying? Like, please stop lying on these stock cards, because I really don't think that the transparent claim is going to translate on other deeper skin tones. You know what I'm saying? So that's just me. This wig is also heat safe up to 400 degrees. And if you are putting heat on this wig, any other area aside from the parting space, you and I need to have a talk down in the comments. Let me know why you are purchasing curly wigs, putting heat on them. Stop that right now. Like, don't, just cut it out. Cut it out. They do offer this wig in a variety of different colors. Like I mentioned, the color that I have is S1B/30. I really like curly units with highlights like this. I just think that it looks really pretty, and it's like perfect for summertime. This unit also comes in a blonde, like you see here on the model. This is the DR4/tiramisu. Oh, that makes me hungry. They also offer it in a DR honey auburn, which would be really pretty, and a copper orange. Let's go ahead and talk about how I styled this unit, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts and opinions. So for the first time in a very long time, y'all, I don't remember the last time I did this, I decided to pull my edges out because I really just didn't love how the hairline was looking, and I wasn't in the plucking mood. I'ma just be honest. So I just pulled the wig back just a little bit, pulled out my edges, and then I blended the lace part with some powder and foundation, and that was it. It was a very easy slay. I did not run my fingers through these curls whatsoever. This is what they look like straight out of the box. I know right around here it probably looks a little bit frizzy, but that's because those are my edges. But I really think that with the body and the volume of this wig, it doesn't look too bad. It kind of looks like very beachy and summery, you know what I'm saying? So I'm kind of here for it. I feel like if you wanted to switch this wig and wear it as a left or right side part, you probably could. I just really like how a middle part looks, and I was feeling it, so I just left it as it was. These curls are pretty long on me. They come down to probably about like my waist area. So I'd say it's probably about 20 to 24 inches long. It is a pretty long, lengthy wig. I do like the layers that it comes with. It's not just all one solid length, which I like. I like a lot of layers, especially with curly wigs, because I feel like they just look much more natural than all one length. And sometimes when they're one length, they just look a little bit wiggy. If you plan on wearing this wig out in the summertime, you might want to pin it up or wear it in a ponytail because you will get some heat around your neck. This is a very long, thick synthetic wig, but I will say that it is very lightweight and it doesn't feel heavy on my head, which I do like. Let's go ahead and talk about the cap size. I put this wig on, y'all, and I ripped the lace on both sides. So that's one of the other reasons why I decided to wear it behind my hairline, because I was like, you know what, I ain't gonna force it. I'm not gonna force a square peg into a round hole. My head is big, you know what I'm saying? And I can't do nothing about it. I would say the cap size is about a medium. So if you're somebody who has a normal size head, I'm jealous. And I think this wig will fit you much better than it is fitting me. As far as tangling and shedding, y'all, I haven't got any shedding, but I'm not really like pulling on this wig. And when I do, maybe I get like 1 or 2 hairs, but that's nothing serious to me. And tangling, I did mention to you guys already that I haven't run my fingers through these curls or broken them up at all. This is pretty much how it came out of the box, straight up. You know what I'm saying? Like, I did not fluff these curls out, so I haven't gotten any tangling, but I do imagine that since it is a curly wig, if you decided to run your fingers through these curls, you know, it's gonna catch because it's curly. I do think that this wig is really pretty, and I think you guys will like it if you decide to purchase it. I only have 2 cons when it comes to this wig, 1 being the cap size and 2 being the roots. I said this in my D review both times, that I just wish that the curl started at the root because I feel like it would look more natural, but I'm not mad at it. It's not something that I'm pressed about, and it's not going to deter me from wearing these wigs again. I still think that I would reach for D over this one, more so because of the curl pattern. This one is kind of like a water wave type of texture or pattern, and it's pretty, but I just like more of like a ringlet type of style for me, but that's just a personal preference. I do think that you guys will like this wig if you did decide to purchase it. Just keep in mind, it's a lot of hair. It is very long, but it's probably not too expensive. I will leave the price down in the description box below, maybe even in the title or something, or here on the screen. I know sometimes I don't always mention the price, but I do always leave a link where you can find the cheapest option for your purchase. So make sure you always check out the description bar for more information. I really don't think there's anything else that I need to mention about this wig. If I forgot to say anything, or if you guys have any questions, you can always leave them down below in the comment section and I will get back to you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you made it to the end and you are still not subscribed, I see you. What is you doing? I know you was back watching my other videos before this one. So hit the button, turn on the bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Sometimes it really feels like I lose control.